Like a bad bitch and a half right now. So I am done showering. As you tell, I have wet hair, but now I am getting ready because since we're still in quarantine, I feel like the only way to not go insane is by getting ready. So I'm gonna put makeup on before class, and I'll see you guys before class because I have to do homework before class. So I just finished getting ready. As you can tell, I feel like a bad bitch and a half right now. I don't know why I said that half, but for today's agenda is to go to my first class, and after my first class is do some laundry, after my second class do some homework, but before I go to class is to study, and then make a cake for my brother's birthday, which is tomorrow, which is gonna be like an ice cream cake because this needs to be done by 6, so hopefully it gets done by 6, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna be putting chocolate on it, so it's gonna be very good. I'm gonna show you my outfit and what I'm wearing, so let's go to my mirror. See you there. Okay, so let me see my outfit. My top is from Pink Rose, my jeans are from Wild Fable. Ignore the stinking mess I have in the background. I need to put my laundry away. For jewelry, I'm just wearing my Apple Watch. I wish I had earrings, but I don't have any. They're still tucked away somewhere. And then my ring, and then this necklace. And then this is the mess that I'm going to take care of after class and put away. So hopefully I can get it situated. So class just ended. I am going to go ahead and go downstairs to eat. But before, I color coordinated like stuff for my notes. And it's actually pretty dang cute. It took a little while because chapter 3 was super long. I'm going to go back to chapter 3 from 6. We're skipping up 5. And just do the outline that he has on canvas. But let's go downstairs because I am hungry as heck. Now, as a little promise to myself, I am going to put away these clothes so I have room to walk in. So let's go do that. Before, this is partially after. I ran out of hangers, so I have to go downstairs to get more hangers. But I basically did all my laundry, so let's check on the time because I want to take a photo. Yeah, it's 1:27. So we're fine on time. Okay, so I'm literally using a box as a little like stand. So I'll put how the photos turned out in the next clip, so. Okay, so I just got finished. That doesn't make